Hi, I'm Aiden Modine, and this is my 3D printing research presentation. So, what is 3D printing? 3D printing is constructing 3D images by creating a digital model and putting it into a 3D printer and printing that object on a 2D plane over and over and over and over and over again. 3D printing honestly, it is a complete game changer in the field of engineering. 3D printing is mostly just for pieces that are made out of plastic, but in 1994, metal 3D printers have actually been made. And why is 3D printing super cool? So 3D printing is honestly, it is a very versatile tool, and it can be used for like so many different things, like custom implants in the medical field, and just let's say if you're like into mechanical engineering or anything where you like physically build stuff with pieces, you can design CAD, and then eventually 3D print that piece for a very specific task. 3D printing is also still a relatively new technology, so that means that there's a lot that's still covered up, and there's a lot more room for technical advancements. And 3D printing is for as innovative and amazing that it is, it's very accessible to use. I mean, like there are 3D printers like down here. You can use these for labs, which are made for like giant pieces in laboratories. And then down here is an example of what a metal 3D printer is like. Here's a nozzle. And then here's one that you can just make for toys for families. And it's honestly, 3D printing is honestly amazing. I'm super excited to learn how to CAD and get a little bit more deeper into 3D printing, because 3D printing is a future. So yeah, this is my little presentation that I made because 3D printing's cool. Yeah.